Experiencing a frozen screen on your Honda Display Audio? A quick reboot is often the solution. For most models from 2016 to 2022, simply press and hold the power volume knob for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This soft reboot clears temporary memory without erasing your settings. If that doesn't work, try turning off your car, waiting 1 to 2 minutes, and restarting. This power cycle mimics unplugging a computer and resolves most freeze issues. Ensure your car is in park before attempting any restarts. If soft reboots are ineffective, a factory reset might be necessary. Access the system's settings menu on the touchscreen and choose the factory reset option. Be aware this will erase saved data like radio presets. To prevent future freezes, keep your display audio software updated via the My Honda app or dealership visits. Outdated software is a common cause of glitches. Consider limiting heavy app usage, especially with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as compatibility issues can trigger freezes. If problems persist, consult a Honda technician, as frequent freezes may indicate a deeper hardware issue.